First of all, everyone of the view on that time, they were competent in purifying the language by prescribing words and expression, because either they were too new, too old, slang, cant, you may say that they were too undifficult. That's why they decided to have fix the vocabulary. And with the development of science, the vocabulary was enhanced. For example, when things were invented in 18th century, they got the vocabulary and different words at that time. After that, if I talk about Industrial Revolution, in 18th century, first English was considered very minor language in that era. After from 18th century, it became more popular because the colonization of British Empire, and they considered themselves superior, upper class, elite class, and they were of the view that the language is general, and that's why the vocabulary was improved at that time, and they had a bank of vocabulary or words. After the invention of things, when they invented things, for example, they invented something. If we talk about science, so penicillin was invented before 18th century, so they had a new word for this. Okay, next. Okay, so they had word, for example, port. After that, they combined it, but like I discussed about compounding. Compound means two: port, import, then export, transport, portable, reporting, transportation, and important. From examination, gym, gymnasium, bus, and then omnibus. So this is how that it was improved in that era. If we talk about that for vocabulary formation, they borrowed many words, many countless words from Greek and Latin, and after that they fixed. For example, there were countless words that were being used for one purpose. They fixed that this is universal vocabulary, and we have to use this. Okay, after that, I told you about compounding, as I showed you about there. After that, abbreviations. There were a lot of abbreviations in 18th century, and in this way, new words were invented. And derivation is that they took one word from other word and from other language as well. They derived, for example, I give the example of philosophy. So it is derived from two words, philo and sophy. Philo mean love, and sophy mean wisdom, love for wisdom. So if I talk about an English denotation, so it would be love of wisdom. So it is derived from Greek. In origin, it is from Greek. So this is how, and after that answer will continue.